The Money Control crew is entering Davos for the 55th edition of the World Economic Forum. As you can see, it's blanketed in snow here, but there's also a sliver of sunshine over the Alps, about -8 degrees this morning at Davos, Switzerland. Now, if you look at the theme for the 55th edition of the World Economic Forum, it's around collaboration in an intelligent age. But of course, the big theme this week is going to be Donald Trump's return to the White House. In fact, his inauguration ceremony coincides with the first day of the World Economic Forum. There's going to be a lot of buzz around how this will reshape global trade, global relationships, geopolitics as we know it. Are we moving away from globalization of trade to regionalization of trade? Those are going to be some of the themes in focus. Artificial intelligence, of course, will also be discussed. There are a lot of themes around how AI is reshaping industries. In fact, if you look at the global risks report that WEF released a few days ago, some of the top risks that were highlighted include armed conflict, extreme weather, as well as disinformation. And if you look at the Economist outlook, they expect weak growth globally, but South Asia, especially India, has been identified as a bright spot. There are going to be over 2,500 delegates from around the world, over 100 members from India, a lot of CEOs, policymakers, ministers. We will get you all the top voices from globally and around the world over the next few days. Stay tuned to Money Control for all the latest updates from the World Economic Forum.